well-built, quality grind. I've been using this grinder for the better part of a year, and I love it. I brew coffee using pour-overs, French press, and a home espresso machine, so quite a variety. The Virtuoso is very well built and sturdy, while also being fairly compact and stylish. Granted, it is not specifically designed for espresso, that would be the Preciso, the next level Baratza grinder, but by adjusting factors other than grind size, such as amount of coffee ground and temp, pressure, the Virtuoso can still dial in a grind enough to make a delicious shot of espresso. I have never had any issues with this machine, and I fully expect to be using it for years to come.
Rancilio Espresso maker that had been using a blade grinder for years. I can estimate how much coffee I threw out because creating crema from a blade grinder that requires a perfect mix of right grind, melting seconds, and tap. Enter the Mazzer Mini, which came out of the box with a perfect set point for espresso. The top literally tastes different. It grinds beautifully, and I have used it for both espresso and Chemex brewed coffee with great results. The doser on this is fiddly, but this is a minor inconvenience. We have used the Mazzer Mini about a month now, so can speak to its longevity. But this is a heavy-duty, very solid machine. Great purchase and worth the price.
Grinds I have had this for less than a week, but I am thoroughly impressed with the result. I have had a Burr V870 XL for almost 3 years now, and its Burr grinder started malfunctioning a month ago. I always wanted a stand-alone coffee grinder, so after doing my research, I settled on this machine. The results so far are amazing. The grinder on the Burr was okay when it worked, but the espresso pressures were inconsistent despite using the doser and not touching the dose amount or size of the grind. With the ROC-SD dialed in, the espresso pressure is swatch time and the results are consistently good. Based on my admittedly limited experience with this machine, I would highly recommend it.